back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I'm doing a glow-in-the-dark Baby Boomer acrylic set to share with you guys. So I already went ahead and prepped and primed and applied my thin layer of clear acrylic to my client's natural nails, because this is also an acrylic overlay. And now you see me here, I'm going in with this white acrylic powder. Now all the glue powders that I use in this video, I did make myself. So when I was happy with the way that my white looked, I allowed it to sit while I went on and repeated the exact same thing to her middle finger and her thumb. So now I'm going in with this bright pink acrylic powder, and this is what I'm going to use to create my fade. Now if you want an in-depth video on how I do my baby boomers, because it's basically the exact same thing, I would link that video on the screen in the card so you guys can check it out. So I need to make sure that this cuticle bead is thick enough so that when I'm filing, I will not file away any of this color, because I'm not going to be encapsulating this portion of the nail. I am only going to be encapsulating where my fade is and the white tip, just to make sure that the nail has a little more strength. So I did go ahead and repeat this to her middle finger and her thumb as well, but I didn't include the thumb in the video because it was out of frame, so I only showed you guys the ombre on 2 nails. Now with my same white glow acrylic powder, I'm just going to go ahead and coat this entire nail. Now once that white starts to turn matte, I'm going to take my net and I'm going to make sure that I pull it and wrap it around my client's nails, but not too hard to make those indents spread too wide. So I did dip my net in the same white acrylic powder before doing this. It makes it easy to remove. And now I'm going in with that same pink glow acrylic powder, and I'm also going to use a purple glue that I made. I'm going to be working with this really wet to make sure that it gets into all of those grooves, and I'm just lightly going to remove the majority of the colored acrylic because I'm not filing this nail before I encapsulate. I do want the white to remain a little bit stained, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that some of that white is peeking through, because this helps to create a little bit more definition on this nail. After doing that, I did touch some pink glitter throughout this nail, but I did not record it on camera. So I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do on this nail, so I went in with my pink glow acrylic powder, and now I'm going to go in with that same pink glitter that I mentioned before, and I'm going to create a glitter fade on this nail. So here's what all her nails look like. So I went ahead and encapsulate off camera, file shaped and buffed, and now you see me here. I'm just going in with my IBD Intense Seal No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to apply this to all her nails. After doing this, I popped her hand into my LED light and cured it for 60 seconds. Now on this nail, I did file into the white around the cuticle area. So I went in off camera and I just applied some Swarovski crystals to cover that up. And of course, I'll have a clip of the final result to share with you guys at the end of the video, as well as some pictures. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do already. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're there, go ahead and tap on the bell and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. And go ahead and share this video with your friends, with your families, or anybody that you know that loves glow-in-the-dark nails. So I want to tell you guys thank you for the emoji game that we played on the last video, and I enjoyed watching what you guys came up with so much that I want you to do it again. Leave me the emoji that you think best suits this set with your comments in the comment section below. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.